I'm going to figure out the absolute best places to travel in 2026. If you're anything like me, you've probably been dreaming of setting sail on a cruise for years. With so many incredible options out there, it can be tough to choose just one. I mean, do you go for a luxurious ship with all the bells and whistles, or a more laid-back, adventurous vibe? And then there's the destination. Do you opt for a classic Caribbean cruise or something more off the beaten path? The thing is, the cruise industry is constantly evolving, with new ships, itineraries, and trends emerging all the time. So how do you stay ahead of the curve and find the perfect cruise for you? Well, that's exactly what I'm here to help you with. Over the next few minutes, we're going to explore some of the top cruising destinations that are set to be huge in 2026. Let's start with the Arctic. Expedition cruises to the Arctic are becoming increasingly popular, and 2026 is shaping up to be an amazing year for exploring this incredible region. With new ships and itineraries on offer, you'll have the chance to experience the breathtaking landscapes and wildlife of the Arctic in style. Southeast Asia is another region to watch, with luxury river cruises offering a unique and immersive way to experience the region's vibrant culture and stunning scenery. The Caribbean is also set to be a top destination in 2026, with many cruise lines offering culturally immersive itineraries that allow you to really connect with the local communities. And then there's the luxury cruise market, which is booming like never before. From high-end amenities to bespoke experiences, these cruises offer the ultimate in relaxation and pampering. One trend that's really getting me excited for 2026 is the rise of cruises to emerging destinations. Imagine being one of the first people to set foot on a newly discovered island, or exploring a region that's only recently become accessible to tourists. It's an incredible opportunity to be a pioneer and experience something truly unique. So there you have it, a sneak peek at some of the top cruising destinations and trends for 2026. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or just starting to plan your first trip, I hope this has given you some inspiration for your next adventure. So what do you think? What are your dream cruise destinations for 2026? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest travel trends and planning guides, be sure to subscribe for more.